So we can predict 170. Do I get some? Okay. 170, we predict 170 is going to what?
Your total pepperoni.
Choose pep. Is this number exact?
No.
No. That's our prediction. If we ask all 320 as they came in, we would get the exact number, right? Wouldn't we?
Yes.
Because we asked the whole population. But that takes too long. And that's why the government, that's why the magazines, that's why the big industry that makes toilet paper, and they want to know how many people like Charmin, they do a survey. They don't ask everybody that walks in Walmart, do you like Charmin? No. They ask a sample group, then they do a proportion and predict, well, if the sample group said this, then our prediction is this many people like Charmin because it's soft when they blow their nose. All right.
Charmin.
Here we go.
Blowing their nose.
All right. Next one. Eggles.
A survey at school found that 6 out of 10 students have a Facebook account. What is the probability that a student has a Facebook account?
And
If there are 250 students at school, how many can we expect to have a Facebook account?
all righty. So, do we have a survey and prediction and all that stuff in here?
Yes.
Are we going to ask all the students in the school?
No.
No. We're going to predict. But first we need our sample group, right? Where's the sample group?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. What's out of?
Fraction.
Ratio words that give us a fraction. Right, Tibbs?
Sir.
All right. So I got a fraction.
6 out of 10.
Probability. Probability is a fraction. All right. Now there's 6 out of 10. Somebody explain that to me. It's a 6 and a 10. It doesn't really tell me which one's what, which watching what and what which. So Claybird, what do you think?
6 is the numerator. 6 is the numerator, and 10 is your denominator.
Well, I'll explain it even better than that. It still doesn't tell me what 6 is.
6 is the people that have the Facebook.
Ah, 6 is our Facebook people that actually said, I have a Facebook account. How many kids did we ask?
10.
We asked 10. We actually took 10 students and went, do you have Facebook? Do you have Facebook? You get the idea? 6 of them said, yes, I do. So that was our sample group, right? 6 out of 10 were my Facebooks and total.
Simplify.
Simplify. That's our probability. Divide by 2. 3 fifths. So what is our probability from our sample group? 3 out of 5 people. Okay. Now we keep going. That's our probability. Now we want to know for the whole school. How many kids? 250. So I got 3 out of 5 from my sample group. Remembering the 3 is the Facebook kids. All right. Equals
250.
where? Total 250 we want to know about, but we're not going to ask all 250. We're going to predict. And our Facebook
Proportion.
is the top of proportion.
25 times 50.
5 times 50.
5 times what gives me 250?
50.
Times 50 times 50.
150.
So I can predict 150 have Facebook. Could that be a wrong number?
Yes.
Yes, that's just a prediction. I think it would happen that way because of what happened in my sample group. Boy, pretty easy, eh? Because it's still the same work we've been doing, it just sounds different from the story. We're talking about surveys and predicting. Okay? Right? Right. All right, Corley.
For every 75 light bulbs produced, 2 are defective.
What does defective mean?
It means that they
Burned
might
out.
blow
Not
up.
working.
Burned out. Burned out.
Not working,
Not effective.
broken, don't work.
What is the probability a bulb is defective?
Right. What is
Probability.
probability? Okay, need a bar. Okay. How do we make a probability?
Fraction.
How do we make a probability?
2 on top, 75 on top.
How do we make a probability? How do we make a probability?
Make a fraction.
I already did. There it is. How do we make a probability?
Find the math.
No, not right here.
Find
Any
the math.
probability.
Find the math.
No, you find the math.
Find the probability.
Find ratio
word.
words.
Find the numbers. You find your numbers and
What's the
write
find
them down.
numbers you want? Find numbers you want.
The number I want to happen. According to my story, what's the number I want to happen? Defective.
A. One. It says A bold.
Defective.
A bold is the.
Defective. Read the story, Carl. 2 are defective. Come on, y'all. If you don't know the wording on the fraction, you're going to get lost. Y'all are making up your own words. What goes on the bottom?
75.
No. On
The
a
total.
total. Thank you. Now let's go to the story. What's our total?
75.
75. So what's our probability?
2 over 75.
2 out of 75 are defective. All right. You've done 75. Now the rest of the story.
If 750 bulbs are produced, how many probably would be?
Now looking at 750, and am I going to take every bulb, all 750, and plug them in?
No.
No, we're predicting. We're predicting. So I already know 2 out of 75 are going to be bad. What's my other one?
What's 750 for your total?
Total 750 and defective.
THD.
Time 10, time 10.
20.
The defective one's going to be around 20. Could be more, could be less, but that's my
Prediction.
prediction. Kill it, dude.